How to make money with CJ dropshipping. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be talking about how you can make money with CJ dropshipping. Now, everyone knows the details and the deets about dropshipping. It is one of the most popular methods to make money out there, and it is such an effective way to make money without having to warehouse or without having to create, customize, or brand any products, and just simply taking products from one place and selling them in the other. So to get started, all you have to do is you're just going to create your account on CJ Dropshipping. You can register via your email address or Facebook or even your Google account. And once you have done that, you're going to click on My CJ on the top over here. And once you click on My CJ on your left, you're going to find your dashboard. So you're going to click on Store Authorization, and then you have multiple different options for you to connect your e-commerce store with. So you're just going to select any of the e-commerce store options that you have. So let's say you have created a Wix store. So wherever you have created your e-commerce store, you can add your store, or you can even click on Open Store right now. And this will lead you to the Wix platform, or this will lead you to the Shopify platform, whatever platform that you have selected to begin opening up your e-commerce store. You have Shopify, TikTok, eBay, WooCommerce, Etsy, Squarespace, Magento, BigCommerce, and so many other options available for you to connect to your CJ dropshipping platform. Now, once you have connected your e-commerce store and you are ready to sell, what are the tips and tricks you need to keep in mind to get started with using CJ dropshipping as your primary dropshipping supplier? Now, the first thing that I'm going to tell you guys is, let's say I want to sell women's clothing, and let's say I want to go with lady dresses, and I'm just going to open up the dresses over here. Now, one thing that I recommend before you actually go ahead and list the products onto your store or connect them to your store, what you're going to do, and what I recommend to everyone, even though, like, okay, let's take a look at this dress. I think this is $5.50, and this might seem like a steal to you, but even before I add this to my store, I'm going to click on Add to Queue. Now, what this basically does is that this has created a queue on the top right over here, and if I click it, it will open up my queue on the CJ platform. And what this section basically is that this is a queued section where I can go ahead and basically create a list where I can have potential items that I want to list on my store. And these are the potential items that I might want to list on my store. And this will just help me in vetting items. Let's say I end up adding, two different similar items together. So this will actually enable me to make sure that I'm not adding the same kind of items over and over again. And I'm adding a variability of different designs and looks on my dropshipping store. So let's say you have like two dresses that are very similar in looks. So you don't want to end up adding things that look the same or similar. So that is why I would recommend add it to the queue. And then from the queue, what you're going to do is you can click on List Now over here, and this will open up the product once more. And then you can click on a list. So this will open up the listing section, and you can click on Edit Before Listing and customize how you want the listing to appear on your store. So make sure you change the title and customize this listing. This is very essential to differentiate your listing from a supplier store, because if you leave this listing as it is going to look super unprofessional. So instead of this, I would actually add like a really cute name for the listing, which could be Summer Cottage Dress. So I'm going to name this dress the Lorenza Summer Cottage. So the reason why you're going to do this is that this will allow you to differentiate from a supplier store. And then you're going to add in the tag section, you're going to add what kind of product this is. So if it's a t-shirt, tag it as t-shirts. If it's a dress, tag it as dress. So just like that, you're going to add the tags, and you can add multiple tags for a singular item. You can add dress, cottage dress, summer dress. So add as many tags as you want, but make sure that the title is not filled with keywords. You can add as many keywords in the tag section, but never add the keywords in your title section unless they sound very natural. Other than that, don't do that. Then in the description section, you can see the description over here is super odd. It's often going to be in broken English, so you can go ahead and remove the description over here. And instead of doing that, you can also choose to remove any of the size charts, and you can create your own more stylish size charts. And then you can add the images. You can remove any images that you might not want. Then you also have your multiple variants. So depending on the sizes that they have listed. So you can see they have added multiple different sizes and they have multiple different colors. Let's say you want to remove a certain color. Let's say you want this item, but you only want to offer it maybe in the purple color. So what you can do is that you can select the ones that you want to actually display on your store and then leave the rest as they are. And then you have shipment. So the shipment will obviously be dependent on where you are present and what are the different shipping offers provided by the supplier. So you're just going to have to accept those as they are. Now, after that, now you might be wondering, okay, I have understood how I'm supposed to customize my product. Still, I'm not getting enough sales to make a lot of money on CJ Dropshipping. What is my mistake? Well, first off, make sure you're adding everything in the queue and then vetting it thoroughly. Then another thing that I recommend is that whenever you go ahead and go into your MyCJ platform, and whenever I'm going ahead with a listing, so if I go on to the purchase list over here, so whenever you have a listing over here or add purchase or whatever products that you have listed, so if I go ahead into my products and I take a look at the listed products or, any of the products, what I like to do is ask for custom listings. So I ask them for custom content for the item. So let's say I have this dress over here. What I would do before I go ahead and list it, I would open up the product item and I would click on contact supplier over here. And what I would do is I would ask the supplier to provide me with some aesthetic shots of the dress or just a few videos of the dress flowing. And this will actually enable you to differentiate your product from other products as well. Now, another great option for you to make money with CJ Dropshipping, and this is a little life hack that I learned personally when I was starting off dropshipping, is that if you're not still making money, you're following all these tips, you're doing all of this, and you're still not making money, because they also have custom packaging available, custom branding, print on demand on CJ Dropshipping, and you might end up doing everything and still you're not making enough money. What you're going to do is you're going to skip print on demand, you're not going to do custom packaging, you're going to head on over to Amazon or eBay and take a look at the best sellers. So just take a look at the best sellers in the category that you are selling in. Just take a look whatever is selling the best. So let's say if I go ahead and go into the department section of clothing or women's clothing or accessories, something like that. So I'm just going to search for that over here. I'm just going to look at clothing, shoes, and jewelry, and I'm just going to take a look at the best sellers over here. So women's floral print puff sleeve kimono loose cardigan. This is a bestseller at number 7. And what I would do is I would just take a look at these items over here, whatever are the best sellers, and you're just going to find similar products. You're not going to look for the exact same product. You're going to find a similar product, a product that would complement these products, and sell those products on your dropshipping store to get more sales. And that will definitely do a lot better than going ahead and trying out new and different unique products, because people are more comfortable with what they already know. And if you're offering products that people have already used in the past, then people will be more likely to go ahead and purchase from you. So go ahead and find products that are similar to the Amazon top sellers or the eBay top sellers as well. You can check those out to actually maximize your sales and get more customers interested. And then you're going to make sure that you're marketing your products effectively. So go ahead, market on TikTok, make a TikTok account for your business, and then upload the product images that you receive from your suppliers over there. That will also help you in expanding your business a whole lot more. So that was it for today. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you in the next video.